Say, Alex, you're pretty handy-dandy with that duster. Your wife must be very proud. Oh no, Alex. Is that a spill? Looks like you're gonna have to go get some supplies from under the sink. Oh, gee whiz! What a disorganized mess. Ah, finally looks like you found what you were looking for. But don't you wish it could have been a lot easier? Introducing your everyday shower tension rod. It's a cheap and easy way to clean things up under there. Simply adjust the length of the tension rod so that it fits nice and snugly under your kitchen sink. And now you can take all of those unwieldy spray bottles, then organize them neatly into an organized paradise. Say, Alex, doesn't it feel great to be organized?